Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Instagram profile picture. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you don't think that the current photo that you have on your Instagram is up to the scratch, then it's time to change it. In order to do so, tap open your Instagram application, or you can also go visit www.instagram.com, opening up a web browser. In my case, I'm tapping open my Instagram application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you are, go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up your profile. Click on Edit Profile from this page. Now, at the top of the screen, you'll be able to see an option that says Change Profile Photo. Tap it on, and at the bottom of the screen, simply tap on New Profile Photo. This will take you to your phone's library. Select a picture that you would like to update and tap on the arrow button at the top right. If you'd like to edit your picture by selecting one of the filters, simply select it from the bottom of the screen and tap on the arrow at the top right. Wait for a few seconds, and you can see your profile picture change. It's quite simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.